I'm gonna demonstrate how the use of one of my favorite winemaking tools for opening an older bottle of wine, and that is an Asso. So I would recommend using one of these if you're gonna open a bottle that, let's say, is 15 years old from the date on the bottle. In some cases, as corks age, they can become a little bit crumbly, and the last thing you wanna do when you've aged your perfect bottle of wine is to pull that cork out and for it to crumble in front of you. But this is a very simple tool to use, and this is how we're gonna do it. So first, of course, you need to remove the capsule from the bottle. And then as you see, you have these two prongs on the sides of the Asso. And the first one that we're gonna insert is the longer side. You put it right next to the side of the cork and just gently rock it back and forth, straight down, until the short part of the Asso is just a little bit past the lip. Then lean it back and insert the short part of the Asso into the cork, just like that. And I'm gonna continue to rock back and forth. Don't be scared. Just very gently. You see the cork start to sink on you, then you kind of just slow up a little bit. But if you get it right in the side, it's gonna be perfect. So now I've got the Asso completely inserted, and now I'm gonna start to pull it back out. So I'm gonna grab it between my two fingers, and I'm gonna give it a quick twist, just to get it out a little bit, to the point where I can get my knuckles onto the sides of the tines of the Asso, so I can squeeze it together while I'm gently pulling the cork out. As you get close to the very end, pop it straight on out. There you go.